I think, Shabnam, there are some comments on Facebook. I'll request you to read them out for both the mothers, please.
We have somebody by the name of Vaishali Kole. And she says, hats off to all the parents who have given their entire life for well-being and strengthening the education of their children. And she also writes, Mrs. Mahajan, I have seen your efforts when you came with both of your girls to study in our institute, how much you struggled to make their life better. As a mother, I salute you, your courage, just a moment, and determination to work towards your daughters' academics and their personal lives. It's not easy, especially with them and leaving them alone in a city, in a new city, in the college hostel, but you never gave up. And that is the key to your success. She says parents actually play the role of institutions to create the inclusive environment and accessible material for their children. And she also goes on to say that parents in summer vacations and winter vacations are busy in developing their child's curriculum in, in curriculum in accessible format. They don't have time for any other socialization or so-called vacation. They are lifetime caregivers and they do it with smile, with all the years hidden in their hearts, with resilience to conquer all odds which may come in their child's life in future.
Thank you, Shabnam.
Yeah.
Thank you, Dr. Kole. I'm so grateful to you. See, Dr. Kole, I remember the day I approached you. The first day I took Prachi and Pragya to TIS Mumbai, I approached this coordinator, that is Dr. Kole. I approached her and she helped me so much. She created special tactile path. See, one approach. See, we have to approach disability coordinators at various institutes, and that really works. I approached Dr. Kole. Dr. Kole created tactile path for Prachi Pragya to walk from their room till the hostel gate, and they managed attending all the classes, going to dining hall, access to food, everything they managed on their own. And this is where Dr. Kole helped me the most. Thank you so much, Dr. Kole. I can never forget your gestures.
Shruti, Shruti, I'd like to just say something here.
Yes.
There have been several people who have, approached me when their kids are very small. I remember meeting Manjula and her husband and two girls when the girls were still crawling. I remember meeting Anjana with Vinod and Arush, who still, as she said, kept on my dining table. People might say that these are educated parents. These are people who probably have a little resource. They have family understanding and so on. But I would like to state here that around the same time, I still remember a friend calling me and saying, there is this industrialist who lives in Noida. They have a daughter who's been, they have a daughter, I don't remember if it's a daughter or a son, but they have a child who's diagnosed with, who's blind. And they gave me a telephone number and asked me to call.
Okay.
So I called up and I spoke to the wife. And the wife just very bluntly said, well, he is blind. He doesn't have a future. I don't see any reason why we should waste our time talking, and put the phone down. This is an industrialist wife. So I think hats off to Manjula and Manjula and Anjana and the other parents that we know who have actually invested their lives. They saw potential in their child and their children and actually gave them the platform. So it's not just about resources. It's about having the right attitude and the right thinking and the right understanding that the child is blind, that's okay, but the child is a child and the child has a future. The child has talents. The child can grow up and do something for himself and the family. And I think that's the approach. And I think that's the message over here, because very often when we present case stories, people say that इनके पास तो ये तो educated हैं, ये इनके पास साधन थे, हमारे पास कुछ नहीं है. The point is, it starts with your mindset. It and your attitude towards the children. So we met Charudat Jadhav a couple of weeks ago.
Yes.
उनके पेरेंट्स के पास कोई साधन था नहीं, but he's now a very senior person at Tata TCS, you know. So it's a question of attitude and willingness of the parents to invest in their children. It's not about resources or money. It's about having the right mindset.
That's true. I think that's what we've learned from both these mothers today, and yes, like you rightly said, from many other people we have interacted with. It's really about how we treat adversity at that stage. Yes, all of us get bogged down, and we know we have those initial reactions. That's human to have. But then what next? And like both of you said, you know, acceptance is the first step. Once you've accepted, then you will start looking at solutions. Yes. And none of it is easy. Whether you have resources or not, it's not easy. Okay, I'm just going to go around and ask if people have any questions. किसी के कोई सवाल है तो please आप unmute कर सकते हैं अपने आप को और सवाल कर सकते हैं या chat window में लिख सकते हैं. You can ask your question unmute करके या hand raise कर सकते हैं Alt Y दबा के.
Yeah, I want to ask a question, please.
Yes, Mohita, please.
Yeah, I'm a mother of a visually impaired child. My daughter's name is Gungun Pandey. She was recently she was in Saksham, Noida.
Okay.
But I am shifted to Uttarakhand because of my personal reasons, and I have admitted her to NAB Haldwani. I just listened to Miss Pragyan Prachi's mother and Arush mother. I met Pragyan Prachi's mother in Saksham also. I was very delighted to listen her experiences. It's very it's very inspirational for us. But I want to ask a question that my child she's 7 years old, 7 plus she is, and she is visually impaired. Apart from that, she has not developed properly. मतलब uska delay hai, development is delayed. She learned everything she learned very late. Now there is a big question mark for me how to deal with it, because अभी मैं उसको जितना कर सकती थी मैं अपनी तरफ से मैंने काफी किया, उसके लिए कोशिश भी करी. उन्होंने बहुत मेहनत करी, पेरेंट्स ने, वो कर गए. बट इन दैट केस की गुनगुन के साथ मेरे को जो प्रॉब्लम फेस करनी पड़ती है ना, तो मैं कहीं कहीं पे पीछे आ जाती हूँ कि अब क्या मैं करूँ, बिकॉज वो उसका ब्रेन अभी डेवलपमेंट हुआ ही नहीं है. कहीं कहीं पे ऐसा लगता है कि शी इज नॉट फुली डेवलप्ड. ये है. तो इन दैट केस आप कुछ बता सकते हैं कि मतलब ऐसे बच्चों के संग फिर हम कैसे ट्रीट करें उन्हें, बिकॉज वो अभी एकेडमिक्स भी नहीं कर सकते हैं अच्छा, वो अभी वोकेशनल भी इतना अच्छा नहीं कर सकते हैं, कम्युनिकेशन भी उतना अच्छा नहीं है. लेकिन जो बच्चे कर लेते हैं उनके लिए तो एक मतलब प्लस पॉइंट हो जाता है. लाइक पेरेंट्स ने सारे एफर्ट डाले एंड दे वेंट. लाइक आरुष मदर से जस्ट बहुत अच्छा किया, तो सुन के बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, और वो डीपीएस में पढ़ रहा है, तो मतलब इट्स वेरी वेरी हैप्पी फीलिंग कि बच्चे कर लेते हैं. बट इस स्टेज में मुझे कहीं पे फील होता है कि क्या मेरा बच्चा भी ऐसा कर पाएगा, क्योंकि उसके संग और भी इश्यूज हो जाते हैं. तो क्या आप कुछ ऐसे एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कर सकते हैं या ऐसे किसी को बता सकते हैं कि हम इनसे जाके मिलें या ऐसा कुछ करें, क्योंकि सक्षम ने भी बहुत हेल्प करी गुनगुन को, बहुत कुछ किया. वो सिंस 7 मंथ से सक्षम जा रही थी, बट नाउ अब मैं क्योंकि शिफ्ट हो गई हूँ तो मैंने उसको यहाँ शिफ्ट किया है. यहाँ पे भी अच्छा लगा मुझे, बट क्या आप थोड़ा सा कुछ बता सकते हैं या सजेस्ट कर सकते हैं कि ऐसे कैसे डील करें हम, जिसको हम उसको भी उस लेवल पे ला सकें, क्योंकि सुनने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है. हमें भी मैं भी उसमें चली जाती हूँ कि हाँ शायद मेरा बच्चा भी कर लेगा. और जब प्राची और प्रज्ञा के बारे में सुना तो भी बहुत अच्छा लगा कि अब वो जॉब कर रही हैं. एट दैट टाइम आई थिंक वो कॉलेज में थी जब मैम आई थी वहाँ पे, सक्षम आई थी एक बार, तो हम लोग मिले थे उनसे. अभी वो जॉब कर रही है, इट्स वेरी गुड, और मुंबई जाके कर रही है. तो एक बहुत अच्छा लगता है, इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है. लेकिन फिर कुछ टाइम बाद वो डाउन हो जाती है, क्योंकि मेरा बच्चा तो अभी उस लेवल पे आया ही नहीं है. तो वहां पे हमें क्या करना चाहिए? उस पॉइंट पे मतलब आके ना ऐसा लगता है कि ब्लैंक हो गया सब कुछ. तो कुछ सजेस्ट कर सकते हैं आप लोग?
यहाँ पे मैं आपको 2 वर्ड्स बोलूंगी जो अपनी वोकैबुलरी में से आप निकाल दीजिए. बिल्कुल. एक तो प्रॉब्लम वर्ड नहीं बोलना है. प्रॉब्लम तो है ही बच्चे को, कोई बच्चे के साथ चैलेंज है, और वो चैलेंज, कोई भी चैलेंज होगा हम उसको ओवरकम तो कर ही लेंगे.
बिल्कुल श्योर.
ओवरकम, वी कैन ऑलवेज ओवरकम चैलेंजेस. सो ये, और एक एम एट हायर एस्पिरेशंस, बट नेवर कंपेयर योर चाइल्ड विद एनी अदर चाइल्ड. Every child is a special child. We all are special in our own ways. So never compare. ये तो सोचो ही मत. ये dream लेके चलो. See जो है उससे हम better क्या improve कर सकते हैं. ये मत सोचो प्राची प्रज्ञा जॉब कर रही है तो ये जॉब में कब जाएगी. हो सकता है 2 साल लेट चली जाए, 4 साल लेट चली जाए, लेकिन अगर हमने ये सोच लिया कि इस एज पे क्यों नहीं गई तो वो डबल टाइम लगेगा.
बिल्कुल.
So time and perseverance, patience, this will. थोड़ी सी patience रखो और उनकी अगर वो नहीं अभी एकेडमिक्स आप उसकी इम्प्रूव करा सकते हो ना, उसकी अदर स्किल्स इम्प्रूव कराओ. सी मोटर स्किल, उसकी टेक्टाइल स्किल्स, उसकी टच, फील, स्मेल, ये इम्प्रूव करवाते करवाते वन फाइन डे आपको अच्छे रिजल्ट्स आने शुरू हो जाएंगे.
फिर वैसे वो बहुत मतलब एक्सप्लोरिंग बहुत है, हर चीज को फील कर लेती है. एवरीथिंग शी नोज, पता सब कुछ है. हाँ, हर चीज कैसे करनी है, इससे क्या होगा, मम्मा से मुझे कोई चीज मांगनी है, मतलब एवरीथिंग शी डज. लेकिन जहाँ पे वो एक पॉइंट आता है कि अब फिर ये चीज कर रही है तो फिर ये करने में पीछे क्यों रह जाती है, एक आता है.
थोड़ी सी ये चाहती है, उस पे हमें थोड़ी सी पेशेंस दिखानी होगी. और बच्चे को डराना नहीं है बिल्कुल भी. डराना तो है ही नहीं.
नहीं वो तो
जितना फ्रेंडली होंगे, जितना ओपन हो, एक उसके कंसर्न्स, उसके इंटरेस्ट पे फोकस करो कि उसके इंटरेस्ट क्या है. उन पे फोकस करके उसको फिर एक्टिविटीज में इन्वॉल्व करो. छोटे छोटे काम देखो, स्पून्स देखो, काउंट कर दो, जाओ 2 स्पून सिस्टर को दे आओ, 1 स्पून पापा को दे दो. धीरे धीरे आई मीन प्ले वे मेथड में उनको एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन छोटी छोटी easier questions comparatively.
Anjana, you want to add to that?
Yeah, see, I think Mohita, I can understand very well. I can relate to your heart and your pains right now. As I told you in the very beginning that कि अगर मैं आज बोलूँगी, it doesn't mean that the journey was very, very good, very cozy. No, it was not that. Reality is very harsh. And for a mother and for a lady, when she has to take care of other things also, so she has to manage home, she has to take the emotionally interest of the whole family. It is very tough for a woman. Let me be very honest and let's be. But one thing I would very specify, I'll take you again, Arush. Today, Arush has come out because I never had the very first thing that मैं Arush को ये बनाऊंगी. I never labeled Arush what Arush will be. I said only one thing. I asked Arush to आप तुम डूब जाओ, जो तुम्हें अच्छा लगेगा ना, you will find your own way. But think on your possibilities. जब आप it's a motherhood is a journey. It is not the learner, or you never know, your daughter will surprise you at the moment throughout this journey. Grow up within his journey. I know at times it happens in the frustration. Many times Arush has a lot of tantrums. Arush was a very introvert child. Arush never used to come up with. Arush was such an emotionally, if you tell, because see, again, today I'm talking about Arush went to NASA. It doesn't mean that it was a very easy journey. Arush never used to have a friends in the school. One fine day, Arush came to the school with whole pura bleeded foot. क्यों? क्योंकि उसको जूता टाइट लगाया और उसने किसी से हेल्प नहीं मांगी. And then doctors told me that Arush की hair impairment है. Arush has some issue in the intestines. वो कभी बीमार करेगा, immunity. Many things labeled me, many things. Let me, Mohita, one thing is always have faith on the universe. Be very, very honest with what you do and do the small increment steps every day. Don't aim higher, but don't give up. Say like you never know what is the potential of your daughter and when will she surprise you. Every day learn with her only and don't label her. Maybe she has music is for good, her drawing is good. You never know. I never knew that Arush used to do the Braille till class 5th. I don't know computer ka ABC because I am a honestly. Let me tell you, I never knew. मेरे को कंप्यूटर तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं आता है. आज वो बच्चा मेरे से कभी क्वेश्चंस करता, मामा आपको टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं पता. And I look, man, इतना है तो मेरे को तो माँ बाप ने पढ़ा लिखा है, अभी मैं पढ़ी हुई हूँ. Just have faith. Just have faith. Whenever some ugly things comes from the environment, just use as a milestone to do and never label it. नहीं तो बहुत सारे आप कह रहे हो ना स्लो लर्नर, ये सब ना हम ह्यूमंस अब एज अ मदर इमोशनली लेबल करते हैं अपने बच्चों के लिए. don't label it them. Trust, have perseverance, move faith, do what is good, what is right at that step. Increment और थोड़ा big मत aim करो. ये aim करो, I want to build. They will open up. They have their own ways. They will trust. You will surprise yourself. If you ask me, if you met me 12 years back, maybe I was also worried. We all are worried. It's something great. Just but learn, and you will, she will surprise you.
Yeah. Thank you very much of you. Just एक booster में energy मिल जाती है आगे कुछ face करने के लिए. Yeah, sure. Thank you very much.
Yeah, another thing I wanted to tell you to always stay in touch with other parents. Keep
Yeah.
asking. You're always welcome.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, that's the best. You learn from each other.
Yeah.
Even we
Sharing
have learned. Keep
better,
doing like that.
it's very much better. अब बहुत कुछ सीखते हो एक दूसरे से.
बिल्कुल
Exactly.
बिल्कुल। हम लोग ऐसे ही सीखते हैं। I remember having
बहुत चीजें समझ में आती हैं.
12 years back.
Yeah, the whole idea is that you guys went through your hardships, and whatever your experience today you're narrating, we want our listeners to take those learnings, and so that when they hit those stumbling blocks in life, they'll remember this talk and they will try and overcome it your way.
Hello, I want to ask one question.
Hanji Bhavna, yes.
Yeah, from Anjana ma'am. Like she told that she was working woman. So I want to ask one simple question. How much time you used to give to Arush when he was like in the initial stages of learning Braille, and at the age of 5 or 6 or 7, you can say?
Yeah. See, as I told you, I had only one thing. It was not that I did at any point, because I was myself a very dreamer, but I never at any point of time want to scum. That was my mindset, that if I will leave, अगर मैं अपना जो आपको कोई चीज अच्छी लगती है, साइकोलॉजी कॉन्शियसली अनकॉन्शियसली आप उसको छोड़ो तो आप उसमें आ जाते हो. ओ माय गॉड, मैंने अपने बच्चे के लिए ये कर दिया या अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए ये त्याग किया. आई डोंट वांट टू गो इनटू दैट जोन. First of all, that thing I want कि I would give a very quality time to my son, but मैं पूरी रात I used to sleep only 2 hours. I did a lot of R&D. I did so much of R&D that I used to learn from people like, US, Perkins, India, Gymnab, Saksha, all that people. As I told you, 18 years journey was not very easy. 17 years back, things were very tough, very, very tough. There were very little resources available at that time also. But I did my R&D. I started doing it, and then I asked for help. I asked the help. I was always in touch with when people who have the same challenges like me, same in their experiences with me. But at any point of time, I was being labeled as a mother. She takes care, she leaves in the morning, she comes in the night, whatever. But I believe that helped my son to grow up his own, that he created his own space. He knows that, when we don't have more choices, we grow up in a very different way. When God gives us a lot of choices, we get confused. So I never gave many choices to Arush in that perspective. So, but yes, Braille सिखाना और उसको सिखाया, उसको skilled किया, फिर environment को skilled किया, and that's how I did. I managed. I always did this permutation combination, and maybe initial years में मैं 2 घंटा 3 घंटा सोती थी. At times in the office breakup में Braille convert करती थी. Then I used to talk to the special educators who was from related to that industry. उनसे help लेती थी, उनसे बात करती थी. Always in that frame.
Okay, thank you. Can you please guide about the Alexa which you were using? I want to buy one Alexa for my daughter as well.
Yeah, I think that's Alexa is this Amazon app. Actually
Okay. That's subscription.
Yeah. So actually क्या कि morning में my Arush अब कहता कि you are so tired, mama, because it's his 12th, and that too science. And he is, and that a teenager, he has his own challenges. Because young boy, he has his own challenges. He gets distracted with the technology also. Technology has its own effects also.
Yeah.
So for that matter, he keeps his timetable with Alexa. Like she is there for कब उठना है, कब जागना है, कब के reminders डालने हैं. So that's how technology.
Thank
There
you.
are a couple of people who've asked for your contact. If it's okay with both of you, Manjula and Anjana, can we share your email address with some people on this group who are asking for your contact?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So whoever has asked, I know I saw the last comment by Iksha. Yes, we will email or WhatsApp the contact to you, and then you can directly take the conversation forward with the two mothers. Any other comments on Facebook, Shabnam? Or
Yes.
okay.
We have Pradyuman has written on Facebook. He has commented saying, amazing accounts by both Miss Mahajan and Anjana. Salute. And he's also said hats off to George Abraham as well for helping countless people like Miss Mahajan and Miss Bhatt. And then we also have again Vaishali saying that thank you, George, for organizing this important webinar to enlighten us and all towards recognizing the potential of parents who put their entire life and fundamentally the first teachers in life of a child. The parents' decisions play a significant role in shaping the career of a child and also building society's attitude. So these are the 3 comments for now.
While you're looking for more comments, I'd like to say a couple of things also.
Yes, George.
Though I'm not a mother, I've been a son, and I think especially in response to Mohita, I think the name was.
Yes.
I think the most important ingredient that a child gets from from the home is love. And love plays a very significant role in giving the child a lot of confidence and feeling of security. That is one. And as जैसे मंजुला ने कहा, मेरे ख्याल से 2 बच्चों कभी एक जैसे नहीं होता है. Every child is unique. And बच्चों के ऊपर दबाव नहीं डालना चाहिए कि देखो वो बच्चा कंप्यूटर इंस्ट्रक्टर है या स्कूल में पढ़ा रही है, आप क्या कर रहे हो, let's not compare. Let the child evolve in his own pace. कुछ लोग 15 साल में 11th स्टैंडर्ड या 12th स्टैंडर्ड कंप्लीट करेंगे, कुछ लोग 18 साल में करेंगे, उसमें कोई फर्क नहीं है. बट आई थिंक हमें अपना जिंदगी हर कदम पे नया अपने आप को सक्षम बनाते हुए जाना है. हो सकता है कुछ बच्चे थोड़ा ज़्यादा वक्त ले लेंगे, but I think we need to be patient and we need to give the child confidence and we need to constantly give the child opportunities to develop in their own way. And as Anjana said, उन्होंने बच्चों पे बचपन से आरुष पे दबाव नहीं डाला कि he has to be a technology specialist. वो खुद डिस्कवर किया. So I think every child has a future, every child has potential, और हमें वो तलाशना है कि हमारे बच्चे में क्या potential है. And I also personally am against giving a child Alexa very early in life, because that takes away from the independence of the child. Alexa is very useful a little later on in life, but in the early days when the child is 5, 6, 7, Alexa could be counterproductive. So वो जरा सोच के आप decision लीजिएगा.
Okay, thank you, George. Gurdial Singh has put a comment for us saying this webinar should have been given more publicity given the importance it carries. A well noted point of yours, Mr. Singh. We will also be sharing the video recording of the session on our YouTube channel, which will be available online. We can share that link. You can circulate it among your network with your friends and whoever you deem will benefit from it. Darshana, you have a question. Please unmute yourself and go ahead.
Shruti ma'am.
Hanji.
Actually, there is a question in a Facebook from Vaishali Golle. So can you please read? She's there on call with me, toll-free call. So can you please read that question? She want to ask some question to Mrs. Mahajan.
Okay, we've already taken comments from her. Shabnam will just check it. Darshana, just hold on.
Okay.
Alert.
Yeah, just a moment. So yeah, I have a question for Miss Mahajan. Okay, Vaishali says, how as a mother do you deal with challenges faced by your daughter in school and college life? What do you suggest the government institutions in terms of providing basic facilities?
Yeah, it's very, very important. I mean, she's asked a very valid question. We need to sensitize. We need to sensitize workplaces, institutions, and we should have seminars and webinars from time to time to make their system more inclusive. Even we as parents could intervene in that. Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, please go ahead. Please go ahead. We can hear you.
Zoom meeting. Participant audio now unmuted alert. Participant list.
Sorry about that disturbance. Yeah, go ahead.
We need to sensitize all government institutes from time to time to make their institutes more friendly, to provide infrastructure,
Yeah,
and to make the environment so friendly, more participative also.
sure. Any other comments? Any other questions? Yes, and people are sending me direct messages also. Yes, we will be sharing the email IDs of both Anjana and Manjula with all of you via WhatsApp and email, and you can get in touch with them directly and take the conversation forward.
Shruti, I would just like to request.
Yes, Manjula.
We have some of the participants who have joined in directly.
Yeah.
So we do not have their details. So if they could just share the same in the chat box, if they have directly joined the session, so we can send the details to them later on.
Okay, so do we have Hema's contact?
No, Iksha, we don't. Iksha, Hema, Kalindi, we do not have the details.
So all of you, can you, Hema, Kalindi and Iksha, can you please drop your email ID and phone number in the chat box? Then we will be able to share the contact details with you guys. Got it. Iksha, thank you. Okay, in the meantime, any other questions?
I have a question, more like something that I would like to know. Firstly, thank you so much for sharing such inspirational accounts and your life journeys as mothers. It was so amazing to hear your stories. And I mean, I work with IWAY, and we, we write stories. There's so many stories that we get to know on daily basis about, visually impaired children and how, the intervention helps them at every stage, especially when it comes to parents, institutions, and how that impacts their lives. But I just want to know something different from what we usually hear. You as mothers, what is that one learning that you have taken from these journeys, or how have your children inspired you? What is the experience been like? Or rather, I would put it that way, maybe one thing that was a takeaway.
Sorry, Shabnam, if I just, can you just little bit elaborate? Like I didn't get your question.
No, so what I want to know is, as mothers, you've been so involved with your children, raising your children, and there's been so much influence on your children. I mean, your influence on your children, and that has helped them grow. So I just want to know, how has that changed your life, in return? What is the learning, or what is the experience, or that one thing that you have taken away for yourself?
Yeah. So for me, I have a very deep gratitude for my son, because I'm a more, I believe that, we all human beings are born with some kind of, we all have our own unique roles to play. And we have all our own missions, every human being has his own mission. So I believe that Arush has come something for me in my life to change something great in me. And that great, which has become, I have become as a very beautiful, compassionate mother, which I was not. So Arush has taught me how to endure, persevere, and how to become a compassion, how to, find, how to say, give pause and say, okay, yes, may I help you? it helps me to out of busy schedule of this whole life, so-called right now the fast world. He has taught me to just give a pause and ask somebody, can I help you? That is something. So I have become a very, very compassionate mother, and he has changed my life 360 degree. So that is something I believe that is why I was being born, because I had that karma on me. I was not a compassionate, but I have become a very compassionate and humble person.
That's amazing. Thank you.
Manjula ji, would you like to respond to that?
See, Prachi and Pragya are my health, they are my wealth, and they are my world. So they have made me what I am today, and I'm a proud mother. Proud mother because God chose me to be a fit mother for Prachi Pragya.
That's lovely. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Same here. It was a pleasure attending your seminar.
Sure. And for all of you guys, yes, if you've left your contacts with us, if we have your email IDs and if you have your numbers, we will keep updating you about our future sessions. Typically, these days we have our sessions on every Thursday, 4 p.m. We inform about the sessions and give you a registration link on WhatsApp and email as well. That's how we communicate. And please do take a moment of your time, everybody, and give us feedback for this session. And we will be sharing that feedback with the two mothers as well. So once again, thank you. Thank you everyone for joining us. Thanks, Anjana. Thanks, Manjula. I think this is a very short conversation still. There are still many things we couldn't touch upon, and there will be many, many more learnings that we will, seek from you in the future.
Thank you so much.
For us.
It was wonderful. As I said initially, when you share your journey, you go back, it takes you towards those moments and you ponder and you say there automatically a deep sense of gratitude comes and you say, thank you, God. Oh, I have reached to this level. How come I reached it? It was impossible. So a deep sense of gratitude came to automatically. And, thank you so much for touching that mother again, who again had just regenerated. And I say thank you all, everybody whosoever in their own way helped me to reach to this level. There is a lot to go, there's a lot to ponder, move to forward, and thank you so much.
And I would say more power to Pragya, Prachi and Arush.
Thank you so much.
So much.
All right, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.